Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this short tutorial, I'll quickly show you how to enable split screen feature on your Itel A200 Plus device. Just follow the steps shown in this video to use two apps at the same time. So if this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started.